This is Tamanna Firdaus. The last three digit of my student ID is 106. Today I will talk about the exchange rate system of Bangladesh, the evaluation mechanism and policy implications. Outline of these presentations are introduction, historical evaluation of exchange rate regimes, current exchange rate mechanism, factors influencing the BDT, recent challenges and volatility, comparative analysis, and policy recommendations. And conclusion. First one is introduction. Why does the exchange rate matters for Bangladesh? Now first, what is an exchange rate? The price at which one currency exchanges for another. For Bangladesh, it is the BDT value against major currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, and Indian Rupee. Importance for Bangladesh affects exports competitiveness, remittance value, import cost, inflation, foreign reserves, and debt servicing. Bangladesh economic contest. World's second largest garment exporter, top 10 remittance recipient, both channels are US dominated, making exchange rate policy critical. Assignment scope, historical evaluation, current mechanism, influencing factors, recent challenges, comparative analysis, and policy recommendations. The second section is historical evaluation from pound sterling to managed float. From 1971 to 1975, page 2 pound sterling, Connolly ties where against 7.27 BDT per USD. From 1975 to 1990, page 2 US dollar. From 1990 to 2003, managed float. And from 2003 to 2022, dirty float. And from 2022 to now, crawling, page plus IMF. The third section is current exchange rate mechanism, managed float plus crawling page framework. Current exchange rate mechanism. Official managed float. Bangladesh Bank publishes a mid rate. Commercial banks transact within plus or minus 2.5% band. Market forces operate within the band. Bangladesh Bank interventions. Sells USD from reserves to prevent sharp BDT depreciation. Uses moral suasion with commercial banks. BAFEDA coordinates interbank rates. Remittance incentives. 2.5% government cash incentive for formal channel remittance. Creates effective preferential rate. Aims to reduce hundi informal flows. IMF guided reforms. Rate unification underway. Adoption of BPM6 reserve methodology. Greater exchange rate flexibility and market transparency required. Factors influencing the BDT. Supply, demand, and external forces. Key factors influencing BDT exchange rate. RMG exports about $47 billion plus. Remittances are about $21.9 billion in the fiscal year 2022 to 2023. Inflation is 9 to 11%. Foreign exchange reserve to $20 billion. Global commodities high. Interest rates 8.5% for capital flow. Recent challenges and volatility. The 2022 foreign exchange crisis. Recent challenges and exchange rate volatility. The 2022 crisis, BDT 86 to BDT 110 plus per USD, about 28% depreciation. triggered by global commodity surge, Ukraine war, post-COVID import demand, and strong USD appreciation globally. Reserve depletion. Reserve fell from $46 billion peak, which is in 2021, to 20 billion in 2023. Bangladesh Bank sold billions of USD to defend the Taka unsustainability. Multiple exchange rate problem. Official rate, remittance incentive rate, and hundi or curb market rates diverged significantly, distorting incentives. Remittance diversion to hundi. Unfavorable official rate pushed 30 to 40% of remittances to informal channels, worsening the reserve crisis. IMF program, January 2023. $4.7 billion ECF or EFF program with conditions, rate unification, BPM6 reserve methodology, and greater flexibility. Comparative analysis. Bangladesh versus regional peers. Here we can see the comparative analysis of exchange rate regimes: Bangladesh, India, Vietnam, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Where Bangladesh needs more flexibility, India needs deeper forex market, Vietnam clear communication, Pakistan early adjustments, Sri Lanka never deplete reserve. Policy recommendations and conclusion. Toward a stable competitive BDT. Policy recommendations. Rate unification. Merge all multiple exchange rates into rate unification. Merge all multiple exchange rate into one transparent market rate to eliminate arbitrage and redirect remittance. Rebuild reserves. Target 4+ months import covered in net usable reserves, attract FDI, and strengthen remittance formalization. Gradual flexibility. Increase exchange rate flexibility step by step with clear communication to prevent disorderly adjustment. Develop forex market. Introduce hedging instrument forward the swaps to help business manage currency risk and reduce Bangladesh Bank intervention. Export diversification. Beyond RMG, grow pharma, IT, leather, agro-processing to reduce single sector dependence. Formalize remittance. Improve mobile financing services, reduce transfer cost, maintain competitive formal rates to eliminate hundi. And for conclusion, Bangladesh exchange rate journey reflects its transformation from a post-independence fragile economy to a rising manufacturing hub. The managed float system provided stability but proved inadequate against the 2022 external shocks. The IMF program is a critical catalyst for reform. Greater transparency, rate unification, and gradual flexibility are the immediate priorities. However, long-term stability requires sound macroeconomic fundamentals, fiscal plus monetary discipline, export diversification beyond RMG sector, formalization of remittance channels, deepening of financial markets with hedging instrument. A credible, flexible, well-communicated exchange rate framework backed by adequate reserve is the key to BDT stability and Bangladesh's continued growth. Thank you everyone. That's all from my side. Assalamu alaikum.